Every once in a while, a new piece of tech comes along that just makes you stop and look. It's not just an upgrade, it's a statement. That's what we're looking at today with the brand new Dell Alienware 16 Area-51. This isn't just another gaming laptop in a long line of gaming laptops. Alienware is swinging for the fences here, packing some of the most powerful and newest components you can get into a portable machine. It feels like they're trying to redefine what a top-tier gaming experience on the go can even be. This machine is designed to make you forget you're not on a full-blown desktop rig. The name itself, Area-51, has always meant something special in the Alienware lineup. It's reserved for their most ambitious, most powerful, and often most futuristic-looking hardware. And this new laptop, the AA16250-US model, looks to continue that legacy. It's built from the ground up to handle pretty much anything you can throw at it. We're talking about the latest and greatest games at their highest settings, intense video editing workflows, and heavy-duty multitasking without breaking a sweat. So, the big question is, does it live up to the hype? Let's take a first look and find out. For years, the conversation around gaming laptops has been about compromise. You could have power, or you could have portability, but you couldn't really have both in a way that felt truly satisfying. You'd get a powerful machine that was too heavy to carry, or a portable one that couldn't run new games well. Alienware is trying to shatter that idea with the Area-51. They've engineered this laptop to be a no-compromise beast, a device that delivers desktop-level performance in a package you can actually put in a backpack. It's a bold claim, and we're going to dig into every part of it. In this deep dive, we're going to break down all the key pieces that make this machine tick. We'll look at the brand new processor, the powerful graphics card, that beautiful screen, and all the other components that come together to create this experience. We'll talk about what all those technical names and numbers actually mean for you, whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants one of the most powerful laptops on the market. So, grab a seat, let's get into it. This is the Alienware 16 Area-51. Alright, let's start with the heart of this machine, the processor. This Alienware laptop is rocking the new Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor. Now that's a lot of letters and numbers, but what it really means is that this is one of the smartest and most powerful CPUs Intel has ever put into a laptop. Think of the processor as the brain of the computer. It handles all the thinking, calculations, and instructions that make everything else work. The faster and smarter the brain, the smoother and quicker your entire experience will be, from opening apps to playing intense games. What makes this Core Ultra 9 so special is its new design. Intel has built this chip with different types of cores that are each good at different jobs. It has powerful performance cores, or P cores, for heavy-duty tasks like gaming or rendering a video. It also has efficient efficiency cores, or E cores, that handle background tasks like running your chat apps or system updates without using a lot of power. This smart division of labor means the laptop can deliver maximum power when you need it and save battery life when you don't. It's a more intelligent way to manage performance. This new architecture also includes something called an NPU, or Neural Processing Unit. This is a part of the chip specifically designed for AI tasks. As more software starts using artificial intelligence, having a dedicated NPU becomes a huge advantage. It can help with things like real-time video effects on a conference call, or smart performance adjustments in games, all without slowing down the main processor. It's a very future-facing feature that makes this laptop not just powerful for today, but also ready for the software of tomorrow. This is a big step for laptop CPUs. So, for a gamer, what does this all mean in simple terms? It means your games will run incredibly smoothly. The processor can easily handle the complex physics and AI of modern game worlds, preventing those annoying stutters or slowdowns during big, chaotic moments. For a content creator, it means you can edit high-resolution video, work with complex 3D models, or compile code much faster. It's raw power, but it's also smart power. The Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX is a massive leap forward, giving this Alienware the brains to match its brawn. If the processor is the brain, then the graphics card is the soul of a gaming laptop. It's the part that creates all the beautiful images you see on the screen. And in the Alienware 16 Area-51, we have a true powerhouse, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti. This is one of the latest and greatest graphics cards from NVIDIA, and it's built to create stunning, realistic, and incredibly smooth visuals. This GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, is what separates a standard laptop from a true gaming machine. It's designed for one main purpose, to render incredible graphics at high speeds. The RTX in the name is really important. It stands for ray tracing, which is a cutting-edge technology that simulates how light behaves in the real world. With ray tracing, games can have incredibly realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections. You'll see the glow of a neon sign reflected perfectly in a puddle on the street, or sunlight filtering realistically through a forest canopy. The RTX 5070 Ti has dedicated hardware to handle these complex calculations, so you can turn on all these beautiful effects without your game slowing down to a crawl. It makes games look less like games and more like movies. Another key feature of this graphics card is DLSS, which stands for Deep Learning Super Sampling. This is some seriously smart AI technology from NVIDIA. In simple terms, it allows the GPU to run the game at a lower resolution to get very high frame rates, and then it uses AI to intelligently upscale the image to look just as sharp and detailed as if it were running at a high native resolution. It's like magic. You get the smoothness of high frames per second without sacrificing visual quality. The latest version of DLSS can even generate entirely new frames, making motion feel unbelievably fluid. For gamers, the RTX 5070 Ti is a dream come true. It means you can play the newest, most demanding games at high resolutions, with all the graphical settings turned up to max. You won't have to choose between pretty graphics and a smooth frame rate. You can have both. For creators, this GPU is also a massive asset. It dramatically speeds up tasks like 3D rendering, video editing with GPU-accelerated effects, and AI-driven creative work. This graphics card isn't just for playing games, it's for creating worlds too. It's a huge part of what makes this laptop so special. You can have the most powerful processor and graphics card in the world, but if the screen you're looking at is bad, none of it matters. The display is your window into the game, and thankfully, Alienware did not cut any corners here. The Area-51 features a 16-inch QHD+ screen. Let's break that down. The 16-inch size is a great sweet spot. It's large enough to feel immersive and give you plenty of screen real estate for gaming or multitasking, but it's still in a laptop form factor that you can carry around. It's a noticeable step up from smaller 15-inch screens. Now for the QHD+ part. This refers to the resolution of the screen, which is 2560 by 1600 pixels. This is a significant jump in sharpness and detail compared to the standard Full HD, which is 1920 by 1080, screens found on many laptops. With more pixels packed into the screen, images look crisper, text is easier to read, and you can see more fine details in your games and photos. The plus means it has a slightly taller 16:10 aspect ratio. This gives you more vertical space, which is great for scrolling through websites, working on documents, and even in many games, as it can give you a larger field of view. But resolution is only part of the story. The quality of the colors is just as important. This display boasts 100% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage. In simple terms, this means the screen can display a very wide and accurate range of colors. For gamers, this translates to more vibrant and lifelike game worlds. The red of an explosion will be deep and fiery, and the green of a jungle will be lush and rich. You're seeing the game exactly as the artists who created it intended. It makes the entire experience much more immersive and visually stunning. For content creators, that color accuracy is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. If you're a photographer or video editor, you need to be sure that the colors you see on your screen are the same colors that everyone else will see. With 100% DCI-P3 coverage, you can edit your work with confidence, knowing that your colors are true to life. This high-quality panel is a perfect match for the powerful components inside the laptop, ensuring that all that performance is translated into a beautiful visual experience for you, the user. It's a top-tier screen for a top-tier machine. We've talked about how sharp and colorful the screen is, but there's another crucial specification that directly impacts the gaming experience: the refresh rate. This Alienware display has a super fast 240 Hz refresh rate. So, what does that mean? The refresh rate, measured in Hertz, is how many times the screen updates with a new image every second. A standard laptop or TV screen is usually 60 Hz, meaning it refreshes 60 times per second. This screen refreshes 240 times every single second. That's 4 times faster than a standard display, and it makes a massive difference. For gaming, especially in fast-paced competitive titles like first-person shooters or racing games, a high refresh rate is a game changer. When the screen updates more frequently, motion looks incredibly smooth and fluid. Characters running across the screen, fast camera pans, and quick movements all appear much clearer and less blurry. This isn't just about looking pretty, it gives you a competitive advantage. With a 240 Hz screen, you can see and react to things happening in the game faster than someone on a 60 Hz screen. It feels more responsive, like there's a more direct connection between your mouse movements and what's happening on screen. This smoothness is thanks to the powerful RTX 5070 Ti graphics card we talked about earlier. To take advantage of a 240 Hz screen, your computer needs to be able to actually produce 240 frames per second in your game. This laptop has the power to do just that in many popular games. When your frame rate matches the refresh rate, the experience is buttery smooth. The laptop also supports NVIDIA G-Sync technology, which synchronizes the screen's refresh rate with the GPU's frame rate. This eliminates ugly screen tearing and stuttering, ensuring a perfectly smooth image at all times. Even outside of gaming, a high refresh rate just makes the whole computer feel faster and more responsive. Simply moving your mouse cursor across the screen, scrolling through web pages, or dragging windows around feels noticeably more fluid and snappy. It's one of those features that, once you experience it, is very hard to go back from. It elevates the entire user experience, making every interaction feel polished and immediate. The combination of the high QHD+ resolution and the ultra-fast 240 Hz refresh rate makes this one of the best displays you can find on any gaming laptop today. Now let's talk about two components that are critical for speed and responsiveness: the RAM and the SSD. This Alienware laptop comes configured with a generous 32 GB of the latest DDR5 RAM. Think of RAM, or random access memory, as the computer's short-term memory. It's a super fast workspace where the computer holds all the data for the apps and games you are currently running. The more RAM you have, the more things you can do at once without the computer slowing down. It's what allows you to have a game running, a web browser with 20 tabs open, a music app, and a chat program all open at the same time. Having 32 GB of DDR5 RAM is fantastic for modern gaming and multitasking. Many new games recommend 16 GB of RAM just to run smoothly, so having 32 GB gives you a ton of headroom. It ensures that the game has all the memory it needs, while also leaving plenty for the operating system and any background apps. DDR5 is the newest and fastest type of RAM available, meaning data can be accessed by the processor even quicker than before. This contributes to faster loading times, smoother gameplay, and a more responsive system overall. It's an essential part of a balanced high-performance machine. Next up is the storage, and this laptop is equipped with a massive 2 TB NVMe SSD. The SSD, or solid-state drive, is the computer's long-term memory. It's where your operating system, all your programs, your games, and all your files are stored permanently. Unlike old hard drives that used spinning disks, SSDs use flash memory, which is incredibly fast. And an NVMe SSD is the fastest type of SSD, connecting directly to the motherboard for mind-blowing speeds. This means the computer boots up in seconds, applications open almost instantly, and game levels load in a flash. A 2 TB SSD is a huge amount of space. Modern games can be massive, with some titles taking up over 150 GB each. With 2 TB of storage, you can have a large library of your favorite games installed at the same time without needing to constantly delete and reinstall them. It's also fantastic for content creators who work with large video files or project assets. The combination of a large capacity and extreme speed makes the storage solution in this laptop a huge quality of life improvement. You spend less time waiting for loading screens and more time actually playing or creating. A powerful laptop needs powerful ways to connect to the world, and the Alienware 16 Area-51 is packed with the latest and greatest wireless technology. First up is Wi-Fi 7. This is the next generation of Wi-Fi, and it represents a huge leap forward in speed, stability, and efficiency. While you will need a Wi-Fi 7 compatible router to take full advantage of it, having the hardware in your laptop means you are ready for the future of wireless internet. It's a significant upgrade over previous generations like Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E. So what makes Wi-Fi 7 so much better? It offers significantly higher potential speeds, which means faster game downloads and smoother streaming of high-quality video. But, perhaps more importantly, it's designed to be much more reliable in crowded wireless environments. It uses new technologies to reduce interference and latency. Latency, or ping, is the delay between your action and the server's response, and lowering it is critical for online gaming. Wi-Fi 7 aims to provide a connection that feels as stable and responsive as a wired Ethernet cable, which is a huge deal for competitive gamers who demand the best connection. The laptop also comes with the latest Bluetooth 5.4 standard. Bluetooth is the technology we use to connect wireless devices like headphones, mice, keyboards, and controllers. Each new version of Bluetooth brings improvements, and 5.4 is no exception. It offers better energy efficiency, which is great for battery life on both your laptop and your connected devices. It also provides a more stable and secure connection, with lower latency. This is particularly good for wireless gaming headsets, ensuring that the audio is perfectly in sync with the action on screen. Having these cutting-edge connectivity options means this laptop is not just powerful, but also incredibly versatile and future-proof. You can count on the fastest possible wireless internet speeds for years to come, and you can connect all your wireless peripherals with a rock-solid, low-latency connection. It shows that Alienware didn't just focus on the core processing and graphics power, they paid attention to all the details that contribute to a premium user experience. Whether you're gaming at home or connecting to a network on the go, this machine is equipped to give you the best connection possible. Beyond the main specs, a laptop experience is also defined by its physical design, its keyboard, and all the little extra features. The Alienware 16 Area-51 carries the brand's signature Legend 3 design language. It's a look that is unmistakably Alienware, futuristic, bold, and with plenty of customizable RGB lighting. The chassis is made from premium materials, giving it a sturdy and high-quality feel. While it's certainly not a thin and light ultrabook, Alienware has worked on the thermal solution to keep all those powerful components cool without making the laptop excessively bulky. The advanced cooling system is crucial for maintaining peak performance during long gaming sessions. The keyboard is a critical part of any gaming laptop, and this one does not disappoint. It features a mechanical keyboard option with Cherry MX ultra-low profile switches. For those who love a tactile and clicky feel when they type or game, this is a fantastic feature to have on a laptop. It provides a satisfying and precise feel that you usually only get from an external desktop keyboard. Of course, it's fully integrated with Alienware's Alien FX lighting, so you can customize the RGB lighting on a per-key basis to create your own unique look, or to highlight specific keys for your games. Another standout feature is the huge glass touchpad. It's large, smooth, and very responsive, making it great for navigating windows when you're not using a mouse. The laptop is also packed with a generous selection of ports. You get multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, including Thunderbolt 4 for ultra-fast data transfer, and connecting external displays. There's also an HDMI 2.1 port, a mini display port, an SD card reader, and of course a headphone jack. This wide array of ports means you can connect all your accessories and peripherals without needing a bunch of dongles and adapters. Finally, the audio experience is enhanced with speakers that support Dolby Atmos. This creates a virtual surround sound experience, making games and movies feel more immersive. While most gamers will use a headset, having good quality built-in speakers is great for when you want to watch a movie or share content with others. All these elements, the iconic design, the excellent mechanical keyboard, the comprehensive port selection, and the enhanced audio, come together to complete the package. It's clear that Alienware has thought about the entire user experience, not just the raw performance numbers. So, after looking at all the pieces, what's the verdict on the Dell Alienware 16 Area-51? It's pretty clear this is a machine that makes very few compromises. It's an absolute beast of a gaming laptop, from the incredibly smart and powerful Intel Core Ultra 9 processor to the visually stunning performance of the NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti graphics card. The core components are top of the line. They are built to handle not just today's most demanding games and creative applications, but also whatever is coming next. This is a laptop that is designed to stay relevant and powerful for years. The experience is delivered through a display that is truly exceptional. The combination of a sharp QHD plus resolution, rich and accurate colors, and that hyper-fast 240Hz refresh rate creates a visual experience that is second to none in the laptop space. It's a screen that makes games look beautiful and feel incredibly responsive. And the supporting cast of components like the 32GB of fast DDR5 RAM and the massive 2TB NVMe SSD ensures that the entire system is snappy, responsive, and free of bottlenecks. You're not left waiting for things to load, you're just in the action. It's also a forward-looking machine. The inclusion of an NPU for future AI tasks, along with the latest Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 standards, shows that Alienware is thinking about the long-term user experience. This isn't just a laptop for 2025, it's equipped for the technological landscape of the next several years. Features like the Cherry MX mechanical keyboard and the robust port selection are the icing on the cake, rounding out a package that feels premium in every aspect. It's a device that caters to the needs of serious gamers and demanding creative professionals alike. Of course, all this power and all these features come at a premium price. This is not a budget laptop, it's a high-end desktop replacement. But for those who want the best possible gaming experience in a portable form factor, the Alienware 16 Area-51 makes a very compelling argument. It's for the user who doesn't want to compromise on performance, visuals, or features. If you're in the market for a laptop that can truly do it all, and do it all incredibly well, then this new machine from Alienware absolutely has to be on your list. It's a technological marvel and a true gaming beast.